In this video, we are going to talk about pending orders. Now, it is very, very important for you guys for you to understand the concept of pending orders in your Forex trading career. Now, if you want to take your trading skills to the next level, make sure you guys stick around and listen to everything in this video. So, a pending order, there's 4 different types, right? Buy limit, sell limits, buy stop, sell stop, right? So pending orders are essential tools for Forex traders. They allow you to set trades at specific price levels instead of just jumping in at a current market price. Here are main types of pending orders that you need to know about, and that is obviously one being a buy limit, right? A buy limit, and again, depending on the platform you're using, you'll see market order, pending order, and you could choose where you want to put your pending order, whether you're doing a buy limit, sell stop, buy stop, sell limit. Now, a buy limit, right, you enter a buy order below, right? So whatever the price is trading at, you're basically putting a buy limit where you enter a buy order below the current market price. If you do a sell limit, right, a sell limit is you enter a sell order above, right? You're putting a sell order, means you're basically looking to sell it up here above the current market price. Now, if you do a buy stop is this order triggers once the price meets a level above the current market price, right? So it's basically, I'm still buying. So it's either I'm buying down here or I'm buying up here. If I'm buying up here, let's say if I'm looking to buy over here for the break, that means I'm looking to do a buy stop. If I'm looking to buy it down here, that's a buy limit. And then vice versa, right? A sell stop means I'm looking to sell it if the price falls. So if it starts coming down, I'm looking to sell it right here. That's a sell stop. If I'm looking to take a short position, basically sell it up here, that's a sell limit. Again, you might go back to this video if you got to like re-understand that. Okay, so I'm gonna say it again for you guys. Let's start with buying, because buying is very simple. Either I'm buying right now, I'm buying up here, or I'm buying down here. If I buy up here, that's a buy stop. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. If I look to buy down here, say if I want that trade to come down here and I look to buy it, that's a buy limit. If I'm looking to sell it, I want to sell it right here. Sell, that's a sell stop, right? If I look to sell it up here, that's a sell limit, okay? Now, you've got US 30, NASDAQ 100, market's not the greatest right now. Let's say if I'm looking, let's say there's really nothing good here that I really like. Let's say I'm going to look to maybe sell it, do a sell limit, sell stop right here. We'll go 0.30. Let's put a sell stop order out there. Right? Basically means that if it keeps coming down, it'll sell my position, and I want to basically see it keep coming down. Now, I want to talk about why should you use pending orders, okay? So with a pending order, there are advantages and disadvantages, right? Obviously, better entry points, right? They allow you to enter trades at the price that you want to enter at, right? So obviously time saving, you can set and forget your trades, right? So you can put a buy order out there and you can go about your day, and if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Now, obviously, you can really set and forget your trades when you do a buy, stop, buy. Anytime you do a market pending order, you basically just set it and forget it, okay? Because at the same time, you can put, hurry up and edit, your stop loss, areas of take profit, where you're looking to put a stop loss, take profit. You could do that, or obviously you do want to do that, but nonetheless, you can basically, like I said, really set it and forget it. Now, this is a good way, pending orders is a good way to enhance your strategy, right? They fit well into various trading strategies, particularly into like ranging markets, okay? So, how to place a pending order. We obviously talked about that, right? You select what you want to trade. You pick the type of pending order you want to use, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, or sell stop. And then obviously you input the price level you want to execute your trade at. So obviously this is a live account, live trade going down right now. I did a sell stop, basically looking for it to basically, crack this support level, basically kind of come down a little bit. Now, again, it's not the best day to trade. It's not the best time of the day to trade this. Now, obviously, when you do a pending order, you do always want to consider taking partial profit along the way, and then maybe setting your, stop loss to break even. But again, that's entirely up to you. Now, obviously, before you enter any trade, you want to review the details and then click place trade. Obviously, best practices to keep in mind, guys, when you're doing pending orders is always back your trades with proper market analysis, right? You just don't want to jump into any trade. You want to have a reason, right? You want to have a reason you're jumping into the trade, okay? So stay aware of economic calendars, news that could obviously impact your trades, and just make sure you don't over leverage your account. A lot of people, they over leverage their account all the time, and that's how they basically just blow up and don't last in this game. So last thing to keep in mind, guys, is obviously to understand that when you're taking trades, a pending order, you have two different kinds of orders, and that is pending order and market order, right? Pending order is something that I use every single day because I just don't want to randomly take a trade. I want the trade to come to me, right? In this case, I want the trade to come to me. I want to do a pending order, sell stop. I want the trade to come to me, basically tell me, okay, it's going to keep selling off. It's basically what I want. All right, I want it to keep selling off, selling off, selling off. So obviously in this case, right, I put the pending order out there. I put a sell stop. The trade comes to me, right? The trade is coming to me. I'm looking to do a sell stop, come to me, fill my trade, and then from there, if I'm in the trade, I can then manage the trade. Okay, so again, best way to come into the market every single day and to take a trade is basically to use a pending order. Now again, market isn't the greatest right now. Obviously, I did a sell stop pending order, looking for this thing to keep dropping. Essentially what we want to see here is obviously break that support level, which is basically what it's doing. And in this case, I'm up $80, $72. She is kind of dropping here a little bit while we're up $126. And in this case, I'm going to just take partial trade, maybe close out this one, let's close out this one, 0.20, right? 0.20, close, boop. Then what I'll do is I'll take this and I'll put a sell stop, not sell stop, stop loss order, and then maybe I'll put that right at, we'll put at $17. Now, a couple things here you'll notice, right? Let's delete this. I have my entry, and then I have a sell, boom, I'm out, a sell stop. So, sell stop, yeah. Stop loss, okay? So I was in this trade, live trade, sell stop, pending order, jumped in the trade, dropped down, was up $127 into profit, took partial, closed out partial, because remember, I was in the trade 0.30 lots, closed out 0.20 lots, took partial, left some on the table, adjusted my stop loss to let the trade keep running, because again, the trade easily could have kept running. The trade kept running down, and I like to leave a little bit on there. But again, we'll talk about that in another video. As mentioned, I got tons and tons of videos for you guys to really, really learn. At the end of the day, I want to see each and every single one of you become the best profitable trader you could be. Now, there is a lot of information out there, a lot of videos, but I feel like a lot of it's fluff. A lot of it's not real good quality examples. In this case, this was a live account, real count. And I'm showing you guys there's no better way to learn than from a real trader, real account, real money with real emotions, right? It's easy for anybody to make this video with a demo account, but I'm making it with live video, live account, live money, and I'm placing these trades and I'm talking through them, what I'm looking at, how I'm doing it, where my mind's at, and how I'm basically applying the trade once I'm in the trade, once I see profit. Now, a lot of people might see $127 of profit and just, oh my God, that's a quick 127 bucks. It is. I just made basically $100 at 9 o'clock, 9:50 at nighttime with, 0.30 lots. Basically, you need $3,000 to basically take this position size. 120 bucks, that's, like I said, that's not bad for basically like what, 6-7 minutes worth of work. I basically made $100 in like 6 minutes. I mean, it's pretty good by just applying simple techniques and strategies. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully you really learned about pending orders using this beautiful platform, Tradelocker, and I will see you guys in the next video. Happy trading.